Show all components for setup. The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Install the plasma pen. Attach the required tip to the handle. Install the foot button. Install the ozone plasma. Place each installed handles into the holder in order. Once all parts are set, connect the power cord. Switch on the main power button, then press the on/off button on the front panel. Select English on the language selection screen to proceed to the handle selection screen. Select ozone plasma on the screen. Press the Start, Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start, Pause button to stop the operation. Note: replace the ozone plasma patch if it is damaged or dirty. Select Plasma Pen on the screen. Press the pedal to start the treatment. Release the pedal to stop the treatment. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.